Cecilia, the past story also has taken another twist, another turn. They be a make Ghana for say MPP as a political party, they are liars, they are thieves. Me do obia so do me Kelvin Taylor, we own boy we. Omo do so they be omo hwe. Okay, now mommy anjudwa asem bi mu ha. Yes, strike is C. Strike is C. I mean the NPP for Kasa. NDC time na strike is C. And the nurse for maintain. Uminyabutre. Oh, Ghana net no. Platform say we platform we. If you say the animal thousands of people. Oh, don't cut it the charm. Hey, me baba we. Baba, don't cut it the charm. I'm about the asamasa. I me baba say me body ding. Don't cut it. I on one ye bibia. They don't cut it. It don't. I copy gold. I na company me baba no company be. Mo with him down no. Company be about omo gold near the gold in some dia. Omo say on be some sponsor done. Hey, me baba pay gold. Na machine on the two gold plated the. They're done. Right now, this is the issue. Nurses strike continues as health ministry fails to reach agreement with GRNMA. Yes, and the health ministry no, omone eye nurse for more Ghana etnase. Say eye omu dwumadia omu so mde gu fom a nyoma bi a se bi ompese aban eye mo aban ye nti omu nye dwuma bi no. And the aban eye the Ministry of Health and the nurse for tenase. Yes, nkomo no entumi ensi. Yes, obia sebio de na nurse for ne pe e de aban pe no omo ti entuma nko bankrum nti eye strike no eda ho ekoso. And you see, sometimes you ask yourself, nurse for all right to say omo be demonstration, omo be strike, omo so ebema omo voices, omo be kasame ate de helmo. Yes. Nurse for enso ye nipa. Nurse for enso faka, nurse for enso tua taxes, nurse for the asudia eda teacher ni so no, eno abi na eda nurse ni so, asudia eda police ni so no, eno abi na eda nurse ni so. Dwumadia nurse di edibua Ghana no, sebio dwumadia ye nyina no ebe ye ni so. Now the question here is, nurse for as professionals no, so omo busa bibie fra aban wa. Menya sure say Ghana ni bia o Ghana obetima sori tia say adentina nurse for ebusa say aban bibi say na yepe e de aboaye ema edwuma koso anase aboaye ankasa ama bibi akoso aban e wo so yi nani. Now before me nurse for asem we sunu besam kire wade bi. Oh maami we ono na ye Ghana Registered Nurses and Midwifery DNDN for penyini. Ono na a set up a sa strike we. Owie no no Finland. We ja hoko Finland. Oye den a. Or kwa position bi ewo some foreign aid organization munti we ja or set up strike ni wie no. Ah o ka kire nurse for ni nyina so mo nkwa adwuma no. Owie no free Ghana or Finland. Mrs. Perpetua Oforian Pofo has been elected as the African Region Representative for the International Council of Nurses (ICN) board at the Council of National Representatives meeting and ICN Congress ongoing in Helsinki, Finland. Now, on the D nurse for on the nurse for him, Mamma way Nikunu a full MPP member, but in the card Babachemo. On the nurse for no group Kakratina no, and or set it up strike no, and we no Finland. Into no Ghana, or no a leader no, or no me meeting no, and or activate strike no, and or fum or kosher Finland, or copper position. Eti nurse for Mkwejuma, nurse for Tifie, a pim for biu. Enkwara bi wu ayarefo bi wu nipa na odi nurse for the nimu na o manage omo no was set strike no up and wakotena Finland so up a position. This is how it's working. I just want you to know where all this is coming from. But the reason why Ntebenya Butray we no me pese Ghana for nurse for na say if it's a nurse for no the right to demonstrate or to strike. Now Yanko back to a nurse for semi. The question is, Muni pa bebra mo Ghana, mate se nurse for strike. And the oyerenyim wako hospital ya pamono yesi nurse fu ni ho. Obayare wako hospital ya pamono yesi nurse fu ni ho. Obienya accident ya pamono yesi hospital ya tum. Konfo anoche ya kantum yesi a nipa entumi nkwaje ayaresa. And what is a nurse for strike? The question is, nurse for strike na makono edie na omo pe, edie na omubusa aban. Bedin ka catch you, nurse for right bia say or some demonstrate and some strike. So mu se nyoma bi nkoyia. Remember, nurse for enye ende ene te nurse for Ghana. Nurse for our Ghana for over 60 years. And a nurse for our Ghana. Inti, so when we say nurse for strike in that, this is not the first time nurse for strike. Inti, it should not be politicized. I just want to draw your attention to something very important in this whole strike thing. And I want the young nurses around the nation to sit down and listen to this, because you see, I know you are passionate about your job, and I know you are passionate about what you are demanding. Now, yanina ye Ghana for na sebio ye abaino. I was say ye hun dia mubusa. Na ye say dia mubusa ni ye betum dia mamo and I say ye ntumi fa mamo. Now, in 2024, and nurse for more Ghana, Satana MPP are buying any power. And omone abani ko shiaye 2024 May. Nurse for any abani ko shiaye no. And omukacha abani say omu hiya nyome bi a wose abani no eye ma omo. This is under Ikufuado, under Bawumia, under Afenyomakin, under NPP majority in parliament. Now, nurse for more Ghana nyane eye abani ko shiaye Ekufuado abani May 2024 no. This is what actually happened. Omuko share no de epie munie. Sorry, let me bring this up. Omuko share mu 2024 no. They called something the 2024 collective agreement. International for any MPP aban all the way in May 2024. Etnasi ebusa aban eka de nyoma to aban nim say we na ye pese aban ye. Sometime na MPP are buying led by Ekufuado Bawumia Kennedy Japan brand champion mono. No mu petumi. No mu nim say omu hia a lot of nurses in Ghana, majority of them to vote for them. Inti omu tena ase no nurse for no de nyoma bi eto Ekufuado aban nim. Now, the 2024 collective agreement for nurses and midwives in Ghana, signed in May 2024, outlined improved conditions of service, including salaries, allowances and benefits. Inti omuni aban Ekufuado aban ni share no May 2024 no. That means May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, that 7 to 8 months near atuaba. It's not time womb. And aban ni omo tena ase. Now, nyoma omo tena ase a omo to aban ni se aban ni nyema omo no enie. And kai se sa nyoma na na ende ama nurse for we akọ strike. It is nurse for no strike na omo akọ nende no. Enye nde ya na omubusa ho asebo e under MPP aban a no more 8 months to elections. Omo ni omo tena ase eye agreement. Said yen say sa nyoma we de ya giatum na ye beye. Don't get it wrong. Team. Okay, I'll show you that. Now, so ready a agreement nurse for in 2022. Nurse for thank you, Mr. S. In 2024, no, these were some of the things na nurse for nibusa and the strike naba. Ekufuado abani jitu mu say omo be sa nyoma we nyina in 2024. 1, 13th month salary, an additional salary annually as a bonus. Nurse for in 2024 May. Omo ni aban tena se Ekufuado aban ba obi aban tena se no. Omo ka se afibia no e o se ye sama omo bosome ba ko kan ho aketua free. Intinka December bia no o so omo je aketua mienu. 13th month salary. Adia na nurse for no demand in 2024 May. Strike na is nenie. Nyoma nurse for ni busana se bi omo se aban we 85 months enfa mo no. Sa nyoma we no mo ni Ekufuado aban ne tena ase a omo signing agreement say omo be ya mo ansa no mo fira aban mu. Omo se nka eye afibia no the last month of the year no December no or say more salary mienu every some person etu omo 13th month yade bosome baako eka afibia eden salary ho a demand on the two Ekufuado aban nim all the way May 2024 Ekufuado aban G2 mu yebetia because na eden election eba. 2, fuel allowance. Normal say support for professional engaged in travel or outreach services, which this one I agree. Normal say nurse for yes small mo be a nurse wo Ashanti region so onko sirem na onko di dwuma bi na onko di dwuma bi almost no mu hia fuel allowance, which I agree. The first one I don't really agree with it. Say your mom 13th month salary, I don't agree with that. Because and the government agency, a buying institution, be able to say a man 13th month salary, which I don't agree. Now, fuel allowance for nurses, omutu kwine, sebio ejumenti, also called bono, also called slim, we jana yere ne ma obekwai, also called sa fuel allowance, no, sa nurse ni so you free salary, I was set sebio at least a buying to me man allowance or the better fuel. So the second one, I agree 100% with the nurses. We can demand no. 3, medical allowance. Subsidies for healthcare costs for personnel and their families. This I don't agree. Nurse for the demand did be say, I was say a buying health insurance, no, a buying sebio etisokra momo any omobusiafo. Anything and the nurse for a strike, no. These were some of the demands they were demanding from the government. And Nana Dankwa Ekufuado, Bawumia in 2024 May, they agreed. So because now elections ever. Now, do you understand? I don't agree with this. Medical allowance, no. Because you are paid your full salary. Senior police, you try the full salary. I was say, Otumikope health insurance. Now, on one case, Eden, SA health insurance. Almost say, almost pay a reduction of subsidies in health insurance. Any omobusia for anything and the nurse for a strike. I don't have a problem with them. But this was started in 2024, May, under Eden Ekufuado Bawumia, and they agreed because there was an agreement that was signed. The other demand or demand here, rural incentive allowance, extra pay for those serving in remote areas. I agree. Omo asebi omo to mu wesi was say omo person kotina nkurase no mo ye the nurse adwuma I was say aban to me more some special allowance, which I agree. I agree. Inti 13th month salary, I don't agree. I agree with I don't agree with fuel allowance. I agree with fuel allowance. I don't agree with medical allowance, and I also agree with rural incentive allowance. I agree 100%. It is some of the demands are NPP are buying GD in 2024 and make catch on. And I'm about uniform allowance, which I don't agree. I'm going say annual support to maintain professional dress standards. I'm going say a buying ensa more allowance on better uniform. I say, I'm going to trust someone skirt. Now I'm looking professional. I don't agree with that. You are a professional. You are being paid. You should be able to get your own uniform. How much is uniform? This uniform allowance, I do not agree. Sanyoma we count a nurse for me no ka say almost strike almost omunye dwuma anadwi opemfo bi ewu. Anadwi we opemfo bi ewu because nurse ni say aban man is kan man fan koto atade enhye. Nurse ni say aban man health insurance no fa bi man ebusuafo. Nurse for ni bi say aban ensa mo 13th month salary. December no yema mo salary mienu. But part of me agreement. I agree. Me agree me agree with them. No, and they say almost say for allowance for mutu kwa kodi nurse juma ma aban no. Saadi de me agree with it. I will say aban here. Bibi to say medical allowance. Me agree with it. Rural incentive allowance. Muko nkurase akoye ejuma as nurses. Me agree say also aban some special allowance. Me chira the kudiente and the nurse for akwa strike. License renewal support. I'm going to say employer-sponsored professional license renewal. I'm going to say buying your friend be a professional license renewal. Buying license, no, buying some support no renew more. But you are a professional nurse. These demands are like you are in school. I just say when you are more nursing school. Majority of your demands, I just say more nursing school. They want the government to sponsor or help them with their license renewal. No. This shouldn't be a reason why nurses are at home. And I keep telling you, you have all the right to strike. I respect that. But this government has been in power for 5 months. You sat with Ekufuado. Bawumia, May 2024. They told you they were going to do all these things because elections were just ahead. For 8 months, they did not attend to any of these things. Now, I must say, workload management measures, structured protocols to balance nurse workload. I agree. In fact, those things are very important. And people like us, say, nurse for the bina Abai should find a way to employ those nurses because we need more nurses. Because under ura kolebu ura konfonocha, utmi one nurse na a patient bear 100 and so that's not right. So we need to expand the employment bracket. More people will be employed. So stress, we will get a balance. Pressure and better nurse for us. So now you have one nurse all treating 50 patients. We need to make sure we have enough nurses in the system whereby there won't be a lot of pressure on the nurses. So I agree with the workload management measures. Those things are supposed to be done. And I agree with that. Now, what's the next one? Continuous professional development, financial support for training. It's very good. When you work at a point, you need to open your horizon, expand your horizon, freshen your memory, and also learn different things. If you want the government to support you in training, enhancing your skill, it is very, very important. And I support this. The government should help nurses who are willing to expand their horizon, expand the training they have gotten, because every single day there are new mechanics there are new computers, there are new technology, healthcare. So they need to be abreast of the issues. They need to update themselves. So the government helping them to update themselves, training. I support this continuous professional development. It is very important. Say the government helps them when it comes to this. Because of some of these things. And I'm not saying say health and safety protocols, improve workplace safety measures. This is not part of a demand. I don't agree with this. Health and safety protocols are internal, administrative. Every hospital, the person who is the head of that hospital has to make sure those things are done. These are not demands. Some of your demands, I agree. I respect it. You need it. It's important. The government needs to see to it. But something like health and safety protocols, that's why we have CEOs of hospitals. That's why we have departmental heads. It is their job. In the hospital, and budget, they know, say, about health and safety protocols. These are internal things that has to be taken care of. This is not something you go to the government and say, health and safety protocols is not being done well, so we are going on strike. Because of health and because that is why every hospital, your management, we have people who manage the hospital. We have people who sit and look out for nyoma I said the biano you're using it daily. Nyoma health complications. Nyoma I say the be nurse for access to. Those are not things you need to go to government and demand. These are things that are supposed to be done internally, administratively. These are things that heads and CEOs of respective hospitals are supposed to take care of. So you don't put this on the table and say, Sabino, I'm your health and safety protocols. I am going to sit at home for a pregnant woman to die. Structured grievance procedure, formal channel for addressing workplace concerns. This is not something that is supposed to make a nurse say I am going on strike. These are all internal, basic administrative things that can be done internally by managerial level. This is why we have CEOs of hospitals. Into share demands now, necessary demand now. About 70% of them are right. They need it. But about 30% or 40% of them, they don't need it. And I think say if the nurses take their time to trim down their demands, the government will be able to meet them halfway. Now, do you know what's appalling about this whole thing? Now, after May now, Omushia Abani 2024 no. In fact, and the Kufuado no, in August 2024, these same nurses wrote to the government, Ekufuado's government. This is in August 2024, 28th August 2024, to remind the MPP government to say, we had an agreement. You said you were going to provide these things. Why haven't you done it? There was a Minister of Health. Who was then? Ajima Menu. There was a government. So after May no years meeting August, the nurses wrote back to them and said, we are reminding you, demand for implementation of the collective agreement of the Ghana Registered Nurses and Midwives Association. So they wrote back and they demanded, what is going on? We spoke, there was an agreement. May, we are in August, under MPP, under Kufuado. They didn't even listen to them. They didn't listen to them. And that is the letter. We bring you warm greetings from the National Council of the Ghana Registered Nurses and Midwives Association and write to demand for the expedited implementation of the collective agreement between the GRNMA and the Ministry of Health and its agencies. It's almost reminded MPP abino. May I didn't count one seven and August. Mon can wish you not your abino Okoboy not or to Parliament. Wabotai kwasia meaning the co school. Okoboy onye di panjemi. Yeah, the guy avoid there. Satan Okoboy the minister. He saw it. They wrote, Mr. S. Okoboy was the minister. The nurses met and came back again to remind the MPP government. Because they were doing politics with it. Because the leader MPP ni, so they were doing politics and in politics. So what they did was that they were using that say so they basically used nurses for 8 months. They didn't mind them. The GRNMA collective agreement was signed on 20th May 2024. After months of appropriate engagement between the union's representatives and the employers' representatives, the process involved the preparation of our condition of service proposal to the Fair Wages and Salaries Commission with input from the National Association of Registered Midwives, Ghana Registered Midwives Association, Union of Professional Nurses, let me read this, Professional Nurses and Midwives, Ghana, and the Community Health Nurses Association, Ghana. Following the submission of the proposal to the Fair Wages and Salaries Commission and weeks of negotiations, which culminated into the signing of the collective agreement on May 20th, 2024, the leadership of the association expected the collective agreement to be implemented on the 1st of July 2024 as contained in the agreement. So the GRNMA, they signed an agreement with the government under Okoboy with the ministry, and they were supposed to implement this agreement on the 1st of July 2024. All these demands I have read to you. Okoboy and the NPP government, this funeral party, they were supposed to implement it because they agreed to it. You know why they agreed? They knew there was no money. They knew the country was broke. But because elections na banti, they committed the government into this agreement. And anytime I catch a nice phone, say, relax. Nobody is against your strike. But there's something that you people need to know. There's something that we all need to understand. Into omucho letter we no, and I'm reminding about say agreement is signed here no. Yantin Oshie, Yabedu August, DNAC, they didn't get any response from the government. In fact, so share a year after the letter they wrote, the people they CC'd. You can say omo mu CC omo nipa omo any letter they become omo say yes sir kaimo agreement near no. We've not heard from you. 2024 monka bi binche nipa amon saka sa letter ni bi no the Attorney General Godfrey Dame ne saka letter ni bi obi to say the Ministry of Health Okoboy ne saka letter ni bi Ministry of Employment and Labor Relations ne saka letter ni bi Controller and Accountant General ne saka letter ni bi Chief Executive Officer Fair Wages and Salaries Commission ne saka letter ni bi all chairpersons of Ghana Specialized Societies, almost can let any be, and a GRMA National Council members, Obiasa can let any be. So, Abain, they had the letter. Meeting was in May. They reminded the government in August. Who was the minister? Okoboy. Now, are you understanding? Your demands you are demanding. The government, they lied to Ghanaians and they lied to you. So when this government says, let us meet at a point, this government is a very hearing government. They are willing to find solutions to the problem. This government is willing to find solutions to the problem. Now, now in 2025, aban sisa na ana edien eye nurses no actual letter. Sorry. In 2025, aban sisa na ana eye maame na me de the picture kire mo na or set it up strike no cause I'm ni kunu maame nche mo ni kunu. This woman. Inti hwede omo ye oman ka bibia biemo May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, and a tuaba, mameno anka bibia. Even though no, omo a remind day a omo remind day NPP aband, they did not go on strike. This woman, she led them. She didn't tell them to go on strike. She didn't tell them to put their tools down. She did not tell nurses to stay at home. Mami ni kunu ya NPP ni. I'm showing what they are doing. But you see, I like the way this government is handling this. It is handling this without. Thank you, team. The team need the videos. We are sending me say, I'll just show you guys. Thank you very much, guys. Mami Way, in 2024, Mami Chow, what she said on TV. This is under Ekufuado. Miriam de only kunu pictures bachelor. Munim de esi Ghana. Nice for munyabutre. They are playing you. Mami Way, she's playing you. Now, Muntie Mami Way in 2024. Thank you, team, for bringing this in. This is GRNMA for Boss 2024 and Ekufuado.
Now we are even still at the negotiation table. We are negotiating the new proposal we put forward. I must say this time is different from 2020. Okay. The government team is willing. They are always on time. They sit, they engage, we negotiate. And we are almost at the tail end. I know some of our members have complained that they are not getting information on the negotiation and all of that. But in truth, when negotiations need to start, we sign rules of engagement. Okay. And ideally, what you are negotiating on is not information that has to be thrown out there.
Oh, okay. So when you're at the table, you are not supposed to...
Exactly. You don't talk about all of these things. At the point when we were preparing the proposal, we engaged with the National Council. The National Councils engaged with the regional councils, the districts, and all of that. So what we put together as a proposal was input from every level. Okay. And beyond our own structure, we also involved the other nursing and midwifery associations that are in existence, and we took everybody's view on board and prepared that proposal. So now we are negotiating with the employer, and once we finish negotiating, whatever it is that we get, it will be announced. We'll sign it off and everybody will see. But let me say that the inputs that were received from our nursing and midwifery fraternity were all captured. But negotiation is such that you can have the best of proposals, but at the end of the day, the employer will make a determination of what it can actually give you.
So you see, in 2024, her conversation was all about, you see, it was so flexible. They gave the employer, that is the government, the room. Even when they are negotiating, they don't tell people what they are negotiating on. In fact, the employer is very accessible. Negotiating, technology. You saw her body language. They took it so mildly. They made the nurses feel say they were working. They were putting pressure. So they didn't even tell the nurses they're not omokan. So every time she would come and tell you, oh, we are negotiating with the employer. What really happened? Now, still in 2024, these are some of the things she said.
You told me earlier that you were at the negotiation table as far as, the salaries are concerned. Tell me a bit more about that. Who are you negotiating with and what is the proposal?
So we are at the negotiation table with government as an employer. And of course, government is represented by the Fair Wages and Salaries Commission. As part of the team, they have representatives from the teaching hospitals,
from the MOH, from the CHAG, from the other agencies. But I'm not going to share the issues one after the other in terms of the proposal that we have put at the table. But of course, for the existing allowances that we already have, we have asked that if you take, for example, uniform allowance that we are taking, it's 400 cedis. 400 cedis for you to acquire 3 uniforms with all the accessories for the year. And majority of our comrades wear white. A few others wear green. You wear scraps. You wear this. You wear that. It goes with your breast watch. You are wearing your white canvas or white sneakers. Your socks. If you are wearing
all
your
of that,
apron,
400 cedis.
400 cedis a year, and it is not enough. We have asked for an increment in this. We've also asked for an increment in the fuel allowance that is given to our senior colleagues. And it is also in respect of the fact that the fuel prices have not remained the same since 2020. It has increased, and the pump price as per liter is at a figure that is not what we are actually receiving. So these are some of the issues that we have tabled. We have also said we need medical cover in terms of the work that we do. It will amaze you. We run a health fund for our members, and the kind of conditions that keep coming. And we feel that most of the deaths, we had a council meeting yesterday, and every region reported not less than 3 deaths of nurses. So we are asking the questions, what exactly is happening to our nurses and midwives? And we have even asked our Education and Research Committee to conduct a research for us to understand what indeed is happening. Because these medical...
Any answers yet?
Not yet. They are yet to conduct that research. But we want to go deeper and understand what it is that is happening to us. Because if it is due to the work environment, our exposure to a whole lot of microbes that we are dealing with, or the kind of work environment...
So, you see what's going on? So in 2024 under MPP, she was even talking about letters. Amopefu allowance, no, or the letter, no, and corresponding to the amount of money they are giving. Today, how much is a letter? When she was speaking, a letter was 17 Ghana cedis. Today, a letter is 12, max 13. But she's not considering all those things. What the government is doing in 5 months. Now, this woman, was setting up this strike. You see, this is the husband of this lady. Nukunu, your friend, Bright Ofori Ampofu, constituency chairman, BNA Victory Walk, Saturday 23rd, November 2024. Nukunu Bawumia and Onigina ticket so dear Muhuno, let me tell you, this is the political part of it. Now, I want to talk to the young nurses in Ghana. It's my main lady nurse for no. Or starting negotiations in 2024 May, no. She never saw it wise. She said they have to put their tools down. But Abaiba power 5 months. Yati petruso inflation akonform, meaning Adriane Boakoform, Nyoma Akoform no. She still insists some form Nyoma Nguo. Now young nurses no entine fie. Intended no say. We are young nurses now, Shemia. I don't have a problem with you demonstrating or going on strike. But the question is this the reason why I end the opium phobia? Samoko striker. The question here is, Abina to Cecilia. The honest truth is, we all know Abina the 5 months. Your demands are money to Kufuado Abina or the 8 years in him. Any Abina the 5 months. Your demands you are demanding. You and I, we know that the government cannot fulfill all your demands. You people know, and it's a fact. The leadership of nurses, they are using the young nurses to do politics. And then I don't have any problem with a young nurse. The young nurse is relying on their leadership. But the leadership there is not thinking about the young nurse. As I speak to you, so opin phobia wa it is because na opese yema the uniform allowance. Na opese yema bibia yamfa ma. Now remember, say nurses for moko striker, mobusuafo so eco hospital, they will not get access. Moyirenum enyem no moko hospital, they will not get access. Oya nurse na ukunu eyarea oko hospital onya access. So your strike, it affects muankasa. But the question here is, in 5 months, a government that inherited all this debt, do you think that that government, you staying at home or your leadership telling you to stay at home, that government can fulfill everything? After a government that was in power promised, whilst they knew they could not, na MPP are buying them say, they knew the agreement they were signing with you. They had connived with your leadership to lie to you because they needed your vote. The reality is, the NDC government is not fighting you. The NDC government, at the end of the day, came to meet an agreement. The NDC government, at this point, we all know, is just 5 months. So how do you expect this government to raise that money? A government and what power, your politics with you people. How do you expect the government to raise the money? The government cannot. But the government can sit and look at your demands and say, at least we can at least take care of 30%. Because what we came to meet, any reasonable government, say politics, any campaign, any elections, no reasonable government will give you that short time to say, I will, at the end of the day, fulfill every single demand on this document. Now you understand. It is all next year the leadership, they are misleading you. They are misleading you because our priorities, it is more political than you, what you need. And I don't have a problem with the nurses who are sitting at home, because when the leadership says, Mamu Bejuma, but at the end of the day, is it worth it? You staying at home and the opinphobia. The reason why leadership we can still fight for what we want by saving lives, because this agreement wasn't signed by this government, and the government that signed the agreement, your leadership knew they were not going to fulfill it. The government cannot fulfill this. Let's be real. We are trying to get out of the mess Mami Way any new Kunu party they created. This woman and her husband's party, the mess that they created. We are all trying to get out of this mess. This woman, Nikunu political party, the mess they created. This government, it did 5 months. MPP was in power for 8 years. You people never went on strike to put everything down to allow innocent people to die. Some people are doing politics. This woman is doing politics because a Nikunu party in free power. Because they want to use you, the young ones. The government cannot. And this is the reality. Let's not play with this. Let's not act. Let us not pretend. The earlier you tell your leadership to sit and be reasonable and meet the government halfway, for the government to be able to at least fulfill some part of it. The government cannot fulfill everything because agreement na this woman knew that her husband's party, MPP, 8 months to elections, they were not going to do this job. So more nurses for more person when also strike demonstration for 8 years she could not get you these things. This is the woman I also pamono. When also rise against and say I was some change, because for 8 years, if she could not get this for you, then just 5 months or person because she's doing this because her husband's political party is out of office. That is why we are here today. That is why we are here today. I'm asking you. We are next now, basically, this woman has turned you people into murderers because of her selfish interest. But you people, deep down, you want to work, you want to help people. The negotiation that happened under MPP, they knew they were not going to fulfill it. They knew it. This woman knew it. Nikunu party, she knew what she was doing. But you see, they knew, say, more young ones now, they can play on your conscience. They can use you. That's why today people are dying. And she has left you people, oko Finland, oko preposition, young people, ekunafo, enkwara, mwankasa mabusuafo ni bi ewu, all because some woman and her husband, or mwankasa june do mutimuno, it is not about the welfare of nurses, but also it's just for them to feel important in a political party. And this is the reality.
So I was saying,
38-year-old Zila Okine is 9 months pregnant and battling severe stomach pain. She journeyed from Teshi to the Dapaah Polyclinic, desperately seeking medical care. But upon arrival, she met a painful reality. The facility was almost deserted. Nurses, who would have typically been the first point of contact, were nowhere to be found.
Maybe Bami will be any honomo, and I'm anti information be as we say, baby, say ever coso, till say my baby home.
Her hopes of finding relief were dashed. Tears welled up in her eyes as the pain grew worse, with no one immediately available to help.
Fitty and run on my run is a basin, so maybe no more in checking, but unfortunately, bedroom animal say no. So be any animals.
I watched her from afar, clutching her belly, pacing and occasionally sitting in discomfort. It became clear she couldn't wait any longer. I stepped in. After speaking to one of the few staff members present at the maternity ward, Zila was eventually ushered in, but that was not the end of her wait. For nearly 20 minutes, she sat quietly before being processed and directed to a consulting room where a doctor finally attended to her.
They've checked me, but they asked me to come and see the doctor. So I'm in the queue to see the doctor. I feel okay now. Yeah, I feel better now than before.
The question here is, what would have happened if no one had intervened? How many people like Zila are left in pain with no one to speak for them? This is just one of many cases playing out in health facilities across the country. The outpatient department of the Dapaah Polyclinic on a regular day is very busy. But behind me, just as you can see, the place is virtually empty. Nurses here, like many across the country, have abandoned posts as part of the ongoing strike by the Ghana Registered Nurses and Midwives Association. And the impact here is dire. Patients who would typically rely on this facility for basic health care have been left stranded with no medical staff in sight.
It will last as long as government agrees to implement our condition of service. That's it. We have withdrawal of OPD and emergency services. That is from 4th to 8th, and after 8th, that is 9th, we are withdrawing all services, including wards, theaters, and all the hospital facilities. What we are saying is we also need to be taken care of. Is it not sad what you will be at the emergency and government agency, departments, and other ministries will come and government will pay for them, and you, a nurse, a midwife, will be at a hospital when you are sick, common para, you will need to pay for it.
According to them, this is the 4th major strike action by nurses and midwives in less than 6 years. Strikes were recorded in 2018, 2020, 2022, and now in 2025, all centered around unfulfilled agreements, salary arrears, and poor working conditions. In response, the Ministry of Health has issued emergency directives aimed at maintaining essential healthcare services during the strike. A high-level meeting was held earlier this week where the unions presented a unified demand for the implementation of the 2024 collective agreement, which they claim has yet to be honored. The ministry says it is closely monitoring the situation and is working to deploy logistics and support systems to minimize that disruption. But for patients like Zila Okine, the delay in care is already a heavy burden to bear. As the industrial action continues, thousands of patients are caught in the middle, waiting, hoping, and in some cases suffering. From the Dapaah Polyclinic in Accra, I am Godwin Asidiba reporting.
So these are the facts. Thank you very much to Godwin. I think it's TV3, right? Yeah. These are the facts. Into your leadership, they are misleading you people. They need to renegotiate. They need to stay with the government. The NPP for no, they are not intelligent people. They did that for power. And omenya power no. Where they put you people no, the government cannot fulfill all your demands. And your leadership, they are doing politics. And it hurts me when I see a young nurse in Ghana or say, oh, a nurse now, para crampono, untiminto para. No, that's why you are working. That's why you need health insurance. That's why police, you know, or you health insurance. That's why civil servant now, sebi or tankers, no, your money health insurance. I also do health insurance, no. We are nurse, menya sure say America, abrochi ha, nurse ni biso or hospital or yejuma hospital or yarinti or see money draw free. No. In fact, abrochi hospital be any one point draw. Why are you people making such as, why are you coming up with these ideas? Where is it coming from? Say nurse didn't say me call hospital na me yarea na me yejuma parakura me nyebi. No, it is not for you. That is why you are paid. You have every right to demonstrate when you are not paid, because that is what you use to take care of yourself, your children, your husband, take care of your needs. Until you cannot tell me, say, with all due respect, oh yeah, nurse didn't or say oh yarea utumi topara hospital free. No. It's not see I am free yeah, and yeah police ni na onam hona ono so the tia ne also to be bowra hospital like I say me so etu de kuta me no me de Ghana for ho ban inti mama me drum fanya me ti na me so me ho ntome and I say prison officer no ono so obo prisoners ho ban sebio ye onkofo bi go prisoner o me hardened criminals, hardened armed robbers ye jaw mo no pia bon nti o me ku yire ono so be ka say me so I'm putting my life there on the line mo so mama me draw free. It does not work like that. It does not work like that. It's what I can tell you when they say, as much as you are sitting at home, no, I'm telling you for a fact, tell your leadership to renegotiate. Because someone renegotiate here, what is going to happen? And they say, you'll be sitting at home thinking you are hurting Ghanaians, you end up hurting yourselves. Remember, hospitals now no, our machines this is no. Say at the end of the day, say if you're on strike, now nearby area. Unya ba no so obetuma ese maami we ono so betuma ewu de bia me ka kire government, and I've told this government about nursing in Ghana, we need to privatize it. Aban or say oyin in free employee nurses. We need to give institutions, private institutions, accredited institutions, the right to recruit for government. And they will have to be paid through these private agencies. So every private agency will have its own package. It will be a Juma private agency A. Through then, the file say Juma El Kolebua. Your agency, when you don't deliver, the government will have to tell your agency to sack you. Or your agency will lose its license. Into that agency that employed you to come and work at Kolebuno will make sure say every single nurse you are there about Kolebuno, it's working to protect Omujuma. Because the agency need the whole nurse about Kolebu. Na so when to man Juma ye, na patient to be kowua. So our agency your accreditation will be taken away. And that Nippona agency will not sit there for you, a single nurse, to let them take away the accreditation. You'll be kicked out, a new person will be employed. The moment we decentralize the recruitment of nurses, the government needs to stay away from recruitment of nurses. Because the moment the government takes that position that they recruit nurses, the nurses feel entitled. With all due respect, but because of that idea, nurse for be oma, because when you say there will not be any checks, they will be paid. So the government needs to take their hands off recruitment of nurses. We need to have accredited agencies in the country that are well accredited, giving them that slot to do that job. It is a Kolebu here, a necessary. Kolebu knows that there are accredited agencies in Ghana, over 20 aba, over 25 aba. Those nurses are working as private contractors. Into we a private contractor. A jumana nipana of our juma as that agency. Udi agura abayme jine license. Sani panaba pamon. And that is the only way we can check, because say enya buy a car, you cannot get on the street and demonstrate. You cannot get on the street and talk about your uniform. You cannot get on the street and talk about working conditions, because at the end of the day, the government is negotiating with a private agency. So I won't pay agency now, leave the agency and join an agency that has better package. And that is the only way that we can get rid of bad nurses and good nurses. And also, working conditions will be better for you people. So it's about time as a country, as a government, we started detaching nursing recruitment from government. The moment government takes over, we are never going to see, these things are never going to stop. People are going to do politics with these things. People are going to go on undermine the government. People are not going to work the way we want them to work. Because strike way, say private agencies and recruiting nurses way and abandon to your car and sa demonstration way. You will not see this demonstration. So when somewhere demonstration, they'll be demonstrating against their agency that recruited them. Our government is paying them through their agency. Anything about America, about Abruchira, government does not recruit nurses because government imposes pressure. No? In this Oko agency, we Kelvin Taylor agency, that's about $17 an hour. Ompa, Obetumako, Amaikuya agency, ebi obutia $20 an hour. You can work with them. Ebia, Franco nursing agency, omutia $14, but omu work incentives na edoso. You look at all those things, weigh them. Ebia agencies, you know, the grade no more penal. When do sa grade now? Unya agency be any juma. Into one nursing school, no, you are forced to learn well. That is how you build a nation. You don't take that burden on you. The moment government takes nursing training and nursing, it becomes a burden. Now every time the government is always on the back, people are pressing the government because then everything is like pay us, but you go there, there's no work done. The same nurses who are on strike, you know, the citizenry, we are complaining about some of their services. Why? Because some of them are automatic. The moment I buy it will say so we cannot measure the work flow. We cannot measure the work output. So people just want to go to nursing school because onya na buying fun and no. Or bet me at disrespect a patient. Nobody cares because at the end of the day, accountant general we need to cut that out. The government needs to move away from employing nurses. The government needs to start working towards that and getting accredited agencies that can do this job. Now, there's also another story. I'm a person I can't watch some team. Stay with me. Stay with me. Cecilia, the past story also has taken another twist, another turn. They be a catch Ghana for say MPP as a political party, they are liars, they are thieves. And for 8 years, they be a catch Ghana for say last meeting send an ajantua can be or radio so kumasi. I Sibia Kufo bebu mine and Kufo my bebu yene and Kebin said I'm say shut up. And ya Kufo the boo mine pabia. Kufo chrono boy, you know, that time we didn't have access to information. And Ghana for be say Chrono Akufo boy and Ebinsi Ghana as we so that. Ain't nobody should try and run away from Ekufuado, the legacy, and go to Kufuor's legacy because Ekufuado legacy, they say it is shit. Right now, you people want to go hide behind Kufuor's legacy. We want to tell you on record, say J.A. Kufuor only record Papa Biao. And into Mwankasa Mujina wa muntu mimbo Kufuor record, Emfa Monsa NC Adia Bakoso. Sebio and Menoka say. Wo nana jantoa ene mo amaka mo nananom edan omusi ye ene mo papa no meja pade omo ye no mo kasa mutu de monsase mubo no maka se me papa jantoa ne dan nie adentina muntu bi enke bi emakofo se ye papa kofo we ne betu de ense cs ye bo se oyeye kofo enye bibia krono akofo bebo ye no kofo abo krono chen president bi a waba Ghana bia kofo abo krono chen no we didn't have access to information then into kofo. The only thing that saved Kufuor was him suppressing information. Technology was not there. Anything and there, when you go on the internet, when you want to get something on Kufuor and his administration, you don't get it because it was full of criminals. Omu ye yufua, omu de Ghana sika, edi nya omu hu. Yeti kroma na Kufuor, edi Ghana sika, ekoto chain, ebetu ni kum, obianka anwasem, yeti kroma. Kufuor nani gold, Ghana sika, over almost $2 million. Ekoto gold begunu kum. Ebo no samara hine. Kufuor is no angel. Kufuor at a point we saw what he did. Eya Ghana at 50 sika. E bini no dibe si ye. Ebe si ne. Ye ngume bi e bini ba kusi. Oko no papa krom. Eko ne mami krom ko shobo boso obe si Kufuor flat. Ebe si ne. So nobody should sit in Ghana. Samo pe obi legacy dia campaigner. Use Ekufuor's legacy. And no now we are going to force you people to use. You cannot run for Ekufuor's legacy to Kufuor's legacy. Because Kufuor in the first place, only legacy biya. Enti, some person will run a campaigner, MPP for use Ekufuor's legacy. And ebi niwo, because you know Ekufuado Bawumia Kennedy Japan brand champion sa akron 4 way 8 years. The damage they did to Ghanaians, you want us to forget to say that is the legacy we are looking at. The despicable legacy of Ekufuado Bawumia Kennedy Japan brand champion or Seche Mensa Bonsumuno. That is what you have to stick to. Because John Mahama Tumika Atamos the legacy ujaye wejina so twaso. Inti munjina Ekufuado de so na mon twaso. Some person who Ghana politics just speak on the immediate legacy Ekufuado jaye. J Ekufuado there was nothing. Akufo jaye. Lucky awaya and the opiani pema yembo ni tutu ni say yen sheda ni evidence of nyoma or if it's a Ekufuado time he did very well. Time or exit power o cleaning the ass even GBC. Ni tapes nyina omu delete a movie bibia anything that we don't have anything on Ekufuado but the damage Ekufuado did you and I we know we got mami enko Cecilia Dapaah story a story bia sebio take it different turns a story take it different turns the abati and then I say I sent our late mother's $800,000 and gold regalia. Sorry. I sent our late brothers $800,000 and gold regalia to Cecilia Dapaah for safekeeping. And they are Cecilia Dapaah nyabako abe mount box. Waba court. Na nasemo kenyina say eye omo bra bia na yeso oti kumase opam shoe. Shoemaker no. Owuye no. Cecilia Dapaah nyabema say sa shoemaker no eja $800,000. Ena owuye na de no owuye no a yebo pu eno tamusika no deche any gold regalia you can say gold regalia also too for pejalin sa na gold bebregu ni sa na bi dedan kom na otunu na ha your friend regalia gold esikapudio mo sankofo sa tribe we hu ye nhwe mu ya hu akwana kwakogina eye court aso ka kire court de say omu nua bema eye Cecilia Dapaah nua bema eye onu so nua bema na owu okuma ase no sa nipa na Paul Adebochi begina o ka se onim nipa na adaka na nipa de ska omu kraporo Paul o si omu si omu nua na oye shoemaker na owo kuma ase no Cecilia Dapaah nua na oye shoemaker ehia poporo no yesi owu ye no suddenly Cecilia Dapaah otam $800 ni nua ba ko tam $800 ene de bre Cecilia any receipt Obia pam shoe wenya $800,000 no pam shoe ene wenya $800,000 ene yesa tam sika pudio amutam sika kokwa egu kura ene ebi gu pudiom ene ebi gu eye dansan mu ye friend regalia gold ye bi kawa ye bi eyi osono che ye bi we eye den eye koteketwa ye gold ye dan nanane de anyoma bebre ene omo so gu dansan mu ene omo de nyina bra Cecilia e won krai se ye bra pagina o ye shoes no wowu na sika oja we chene $800,000 any gold bebrebe nti jigun kran nti sia ndom ka chene se ba ku no wi na $800,000 e be di Cecilia ho na emom sika na nya Cecilia dia NPP nipa mo support NPP o tumi ka chene se konfonochi e ya santini abro ya huneni nipa mo support NPP o tumi ka chene se konfonochi o ye be ma tenten gramo na o ye ofri Sanko for betuma can say shoemaker to be $800,000 any gold regalia. E better na wujindi. MPP for no catch say konfanochi e de akonwa firi wiem. E mo bia kata nani ye ni tie na gold siwo. Sanko for ya say catch say $800,000 shoemaker. Obia pam shoe anya $800,000 any gold. MPP for na catch say omo ankasa no. Oweja obubu ofu. Wey, boy, we catch anybody, but you atam. Me chira history. Me do ko history chi na me dwodwom. MPP for we mu na mo catch say eye konfano chi oba obi akata nani. Sa party for we a. Omo ma obi akata nani. Eno oye nyankomade ena akonwa free wiem. Akonwa gold sense mu dududu about 3 so akon mu bebu. Akonwa de so akobrane a ultimate ni mu. We mu sa party for we catch say konfano chi ma obi akata nani. Obia ye say ena obi akata nani. Ena odin kan de eya bafo wo from obi antubetu. Omo ase shoemaker wa yesu wa nya $800,000 party baako. We mu na asabeka kire Second for not the second to for me to that. Kopim said there be boys be go to second. Sanko for we party way. Sanko for na catcher say. Confortable be a catani the whole town. I was antimemu. Akoko kura katani obekona akoko to ada konfo chese akoko katani na obechante ama konwa firi wiem ema konfo no che ema impedifo butubutu fom kata omani ebi di ntomago tekyereye ebi di eye de mafe ebi di echampomfie ebi di eye de dotto ebi echese ebi di kura ekata omani din party we mu nipa na beka asase be kyereye ena mu nyina ye din kata omani no eye de akonwa ne firi wiem akonwa no emuduro echen tiko kawo sa akonwa na eye sikadwa kofi no emu edu chen tiko emu edu echen lada unim lada unto unsa oyakwara so no emu edu sense ade ye to obi egbadwa obi asia intimi just history dim Mrs. Sikadwa kofi nana pia otufo me don na so do me nana mechi minie chanchan hene Kelvin Taylor Sikadwa kofi emu edu chen lada unim lada okọ Russia obehu bi lada emu edu chen tiko sa konwere emu edu chen Ascona emu edu chen Opel Vectra konfonochi mo bia ketere ma sa konwere firi wiem me bom nsa no ene beduru asase we so din sa party mu nipa ka che se obi pam shoe okumase anya $800,000 what one be me problem party no omo nka no kure MPP omo ya trofo Mami we ekuro bia osanke yede tumbe 100 years. Cecilia Dapaah wi. And you see, one funny thing about this party, and MP before they say, so what you no, they want you to believe say you are lying. Wona what you know. They want to create a story. Jandam. I'm going to make creative story now. Mo adwene I say, omo no mo krono no, ummo no wabo mo krono. And you omusu any omo ban. That's how they are built. They are built to lie. They are built to think, say, everybody is a fool. They are built to begin to believe, say, and then Jimmy. But you see, at the end of the day, they make a fool out of themselves. At the end of the day, you look at them, you listen to them, and you get to know, say, they are so daft. This is the kind of political party some people still believe in. This is a minister, not our MPP. And they will catch and say, Nebrabia no pom or pam shoe kumase. Nebra ni wuye no ene de 800,000 or not or 800,000 gudem or 800,000 gudem no ti apatase pam shoe or gold egu ayuom and or ti apatase pam shoe asem we choka kire bodam ni e choka kire obi alekoti swa e choka kire obi a wejimi e kire bia na adwene nko akire obi bia ontan tu kwan obi a na adwene mbie ya sebio ne nyansa wo fom and obegi sa asem wedi and these are things normally me catch a Ghana for say sa nyoma we be na also do say MPP a dangerous political party. You cannot toy with the NPP because you see so we shall be not believe in their own lies or a dangerous chain poison. You know there are some people they can lie and believe in it. They can continuously lie and at a point they start to live the lie. So what's the and most of the people on life to sano MPP for they can lie to a point whereby it gets to a point they then become part of the lie. Into when they even lying and people are making fun of them or they are embarrassing themselves, they see those people making fun of them say no say it is because they were born to lie. They are natural liars. Until they believe in their lies. And nipa sano and a political party sano, the moment you try to go back into their history, they get angry. And that is the MPP for you. Anytime MPP Nibia, you want to dig into their past, they get angry. They get angry because then you are going to know who they are. And anything about MPP crash a political party say, mo party no party near T and engineers one because the moment you go to the reason why the party was formed, then you get to know the mentality behind the party. Into a bit to be busa, na MPP na identity near T or say, oh, what did you mention them? I didn't tell me mention them. mi busa say e de no mu gina so ete MPP also me na na ba afọ akoto e na tete ne mawrem $800 £700 and na audit party no. I don't care about ona na ba afọ akoto because ona na ba afọ akoto say me ka say me scrutinize baby onya sika ni free a obo say sika ni ko be free ba no questions for him. Ona na ba afọ akoto saa time na owo £700 no say ya ka say enya tumia na owo da abre no ana say sebio enya ebia dibra bia na odi na ka say ya chi na tena ho ebusan baby onya £700 na ubon say saa sika ko yede party no asem wo ho. It's a political party. From day one everything about it has been a lie and they believe in their lies, and in the end no so who say they are speaking like this and some of them are believing in it. Do not blame them. Yeti Kroma for 8 years. En Kwasiade Ekufuado, Bawumia, Kennedy Japan, Brian Champon Mudi here for 8 years. There are some people out there who are telling us nothing happened. That is the kind of humans we are living with. Inti, do not get worried when you hear stuff like this coming from the NPP. It's a very dangerous political party. We are very dangerous. And party bia o statisa ubu some history. No problem no. A dangerous group of people. Esana also say motive no is different from what they are portraying. Into the NPP as a political party no is made out of people who can really lie. And Cecilia Dapaah is a typical example of a political liar. She's a leech. These are people we are not supposed to give room to in our political settings. These are very dangerous people. Almost thousands and millions of Cecilia Dapaah in Ghana in the NPP. The NPP as a political party, almost this kind of people in the party. Until we are not dealing with a small group of people, we are dealing with cluster of criminal-minded women and men who believe in their lies. Until we catch Ghana for say, when you see people hating us, hating our platform, it is not because lose power. It is because they know it is going to be tough for the NPP to get back to lie to you. The reason why the NPP, they don't like me. The reason why whatever they hear about me, they get excited. The reason why they think, say, Ebia, bibin to me platform, no, bibin to me, say, it is because they know, say, what we are doing is putting the people in a place that they cannot penetrate to lie to them. Because at Tronema MPP be MPP. And they themselves, they know. As a political party, they know. So who didn't call party on the Kuwa to actually, and say JB Dankwa, they'll kill you. And yet JB Dankwa Papa no. And yet Ekufuado, JB Dankwa Kronfono, Dabi. Make a JB Dankwa Papa na Mukuno, no. Young one, no. Ekufuado, JB Dankwa, son, no, a snitch. On the quote, American embassy said, Omo money pay. So, we are a political party. Presidential candidate, JB Dankwa to me, Sorano Pa. No, Jara Bond to powder. No, US embassy say, me pay. When any party, these are demonic incarnates. We dibonye tieni crew, and I was akwaji who pay. And they will be to work. I say, part way na yendi. These are liars. Be very careful. MPP, are dangerous. Now look at the story.